Today we will learn one more experiment of instrumentation, that is full wave rectifier. In this we will learn bridge rectifier circuit. Objective of today's experiment is to connect and test full wave rectifier circuit. In this experiment we are going to use different apparatus. These are CRO, plug board, power supply, diodes, resistor, capacitors, connecting wires, and linker. So now we will start our experiment. Now we will connect circuit for full wave rectifier here. For full wave rectifier, that is bridge rectifier, in this we will use 4 diodes. So we have here 4 diodes. We will connect this 4 diodes here. How to connect? Select any 4 squares here. Connect diodes in the same direction. 2 diodes. Right? So 2 diodes are between this 2 and this 2. But they are in the same direction. For both of them, P is here and N is in this direction. Now I am taking another 2 diodes. Again in the same direction, but direction is very important. Here. Look. Okay. These 2 diodes are in this direction. This direction, that means here current flows in this direction. Current cannot flow in the opposite direction. Now here, input. Input is between these 2 terminals. So we will connect 2 wires here between this and this, and it will be connected with power supply. Right? Now to take output, we need a resistor. Always output is taken across a resistor. Load resistor is required. We'll connect this. Actually, resistor is connected between this and this. Okay. So what we will do, we cannot connect this plug board. Plug means resistor from here to here. So we will use another thing. One more thing I have. This is called a linker or connector. This is nothing but a simple wire inside this. So what we will do, we will connect this between these 2 squares. If I am inserting this here, that means this square is connected with this. So now we can use this square to connect resistor. We can connect resistor between this square and this square. But we want a connection between this and this. So we will do one more thing. These 2 squares. I will connect this 2 using this wire. So I am connecting one wire from here to here. What does it mean? This wire is connected between these 2 squares. That means this square is now connected with this. Okay. Or we can call it a junction also. So this junction is connected with this. So it's same junction. So now we can connect this resistor between these 2. Okay. That means resistor is connected between these 2. Or we can say it's here, but this is connected with this wire. Now we will connect 2 wires for output. Output is always taken across R. Okay. That means one wire here. Always this one is positive. Positive here. Negative here. Right. Here also we are going to take different means observation. First without capacitor. Right. Irregulated power supply or variable voltage, variable DC output. Then we will connect 2 different capacitors. One lower value and one higher value here. First lower value, then higher value we will connect. Okay, and we will check the signal in CRO. So these two wires will be connected with CRO. So now we will connect this with CRO. So I am connecting these two wires. These are our input, right? So we will connect this with power supply. Again, this is full wave rectifier, so it will convert AC to DC. So here we have to use AC input. So I am connecting these two wires here. And after setting up CRO, we will switch on CRO and we will connect this to here. But you have to press this ground and it must be on DC for output, because output will be DC. Right? In one experiment, we are getting AC and DC both in CRO. Here DC, output is DC. Okay. Now we will switch on this power supply. Voltage should be around 3. Right? Again, release this ground. Okay. This experiment or these observations are exactly similar to what we have done in half wave rectifier.
Now we will observe the signals on the screen of CRO. First one is input, AC input. Then 3 different signals for DC output. First one is without capacitor, that is variable DC output. Then we will use 2 different capacitors, lower value capacitor and another higher value capacitor for smoothing. And here I am going to switch off the light in the lab, so the signal on the screen will be clear. We can watch it clearly.
When you release this ground, and if you are not getting proper signal in this, then we know that what to do. Change this time base. Right? If you want to adjust the height of this, you can adjust using Y gain button. This. Right? Like this. So this is okay for output. Now if you want to check input, input is AC. So what to do? First I will press this ground. Then I will change this button to AC and connect these two wires from CRO with input. Where input is connected? One wire of input, that means this power supply is connected here. So I can connect this wire here and this wire here. So now CRO is directly connected with our input power supply, that is AC. So I have changed this to AC. Now I will release this ground. You can see the signal, that is AC. Now we will check again output. First, again I am checking this same thing without capacitor. So this is without capacitor, that is variable DC output. Now with capacitor, which type of capacitor we will take? We will take 2 different capacitors, one with lower value and one with higher value. First I am connecting this with 100 microfarad. Okay, so we will connect positive on this side, positive with positive. Now again release this ground. You can see the smoothing, right? But small ripples are there. You can watch here. Okay, for more smoothing we can use higher value capacitor. We will replace this. That means we will change this. I am connecting this another one. This one is with 2200 microfarad. Again be careful in connection. Connect this and then release the ground. Okay, so with higher value of capacitance you will get more smoothing. So these are the 4 observations in this. Right? I am just changing intensity, nothing else. Do you understand this now? Thank you.